What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to set up a safe multi-sig wallet. We're going to head over to app.safe.global and this is what you find. What you need to do is to go over to the top right corner, click on the connect wallet button right here. And of course you have the available wallets and you can see MetaMask, Phantom, Trust Wallet. In our case we have Phantom, so we're going to click Phantom and this will bring a pop-up where we'll need to put in our password. And then here we'll need to authorize the connection, click continue, and you can see it's connected. Of course, at this point, you'll be taken back to this page. You can see it's also connected right here. You're just going to click and connect with Phantom. Once you do that, you will have to pop up once again from Phantom Wallet. You have this message that it wants to sign you into the Ethereum, and you can see the network we'll be using here, by the way. And if you want some advanced settings, you could also see the advanced preferences right there. You can click on confirm. Now we've done this before, that's why we have this page. If it's your first time, you will be prompted to set up your workspace. You can see right here, set up your workspace, import your address book, add your safe account, invite team members, explore workspaces. So go ahead and do all of these and you would have been able to set up a safe multi-sig wallet.